our vlogs in English.
Yes,
So today,
in English.
yes, in English. Point to be noted. First time we are going to do the trekking, so we are also very excited. We just wanted to see the waterfall. Walk from this side.
No, this side. This side. So it will take 1 hour.
So hi friends.
Hi.
Yes. So before beginning with the video, I just wanted to say you one thing. So many of our subscribers and friends and family has suggested to do our vlogs in English.
Yes,
So
in
today,
English.
yes, in English. Point to be noted.
But in between we will try to speak in Tamil and Hindi.
Telugu.
Hindi.
Acha, Hindi. Okay.
எல்லாமே வரும் ஐயா.
Yes. So now you can see we are traveling and we are sitting in the car, and today we are going to do trekking. And what is the place name?
So it's Devkund.
Yes, Devkund. So first time we are going to do the trekking, so we are also very excited, and we needed to really do the experiences because we have also saw many of the videos and reels, and we just wanted to see the waterfall. So let's start with the journey, and I just show many of my experience in these videos.
So right now the time is 5:41.
Yes.
So we thought to start the journey from 4:30, but it's already 1 hour late.
Yes.
So let's see.
Okay, so now we have crossed Panvel.
Yes, but
Yes.
until after that now it's the tunnel is coming. The tunnel.
Yes.
You need the tunnel.
Okay, so we have crossed the tunnel.
Yes. So right now the time is 6:14, and we are still have 2 hours to go to Devkund. So right now the climate is also, I think there might be rain coming. Where is your kuti?
Yes, we are missing Sraj because we have not taken with us. That trekking is very dangerous for children, and also he cannot walk for more time. And from the Devkund, we needed to walk 7 kilometers. So that is not feasible for him to walk. That's why we have not taken him. And what reason we have said?
You said that you are going to hospital and putting injection.
Yes. So actually he never.
Liar.
No, you are also liar. That is your idea. No, this idea is
So
given
when
by him.
you'll watch the video now, that time you'll understood that mom and dad had lied to me and they enjoyed.
No, I will say he was in my stomach. So we are also missing him, but we cannot help it out. It's not good for him. That's why we have left. And this is first time for us also. So after few years, we can take him also. So now we have reached Popoli Road finally, and it's 1 hour to go Devkund. We are feeling hungry. So what to do?
So actually right now the time is 7 o'clock.
Yes.
So it's showing 1 hour.
1 hour.
Minutes, right?
Yes,
Only
1 hour 20. 1 hour 5 minutes.
Okay. So still 1 hour there, but the climate is still like rainy season.
And
Because
don't shake the car, please.
Sun is not yet came, so we are waiting for the sun, but no sun. Sun not found.
In English, climate is very nice. We are just enjoying it. So we have already added some of the footage. So it was really very good.
So we can see the sun now.
Yes,
sun
we
is
can
there.
see. So now you are happy?
Yes. So finally, sun. We saw the sun, but still the climate is very dizzy. So it's feel like rain.
Oh,
but
it's
not.
dizzy.
Yes, it feels like raining, but it's not raining actually. So it's good. So as of now,
Actually, the climate is very pleasant. You can just enjoy it. And you know, the one Pagal is there. That Pagal always shout at me.
because she missed the road where we
Yes.
need to take the right, she missed that. That's why
So
I
it's
shouted.
okay. It's okay. Sometimes
That's
it
why I
happens.
shouted. It also okay. Husband shout, no problem.
No, I have problem.
Why? Why problem? See
So I'm helping
how
you
the
to
road
see
is
the.
there.
No,
Both
I
side is
am helping you.
idiot. See
Hey,
the road.
just shut your mouth.
Hey, you
Let me
idiot.
finish
See
first.
the- See that?
So I'm helping him to see the map, and I was just giving him the direction. Sometime we can miss it,
Always
but still,
Last time
no.
also we missed on the same road. So this time
So
also
that road is very tricky. You can just come and check.
you have to see at least where is the right man.
It started raining now, but it's not very heavy. Let's see. After reaching Devkund, we get to know whether it's raining over there or not.
I think it will be raining, but very little bit rain. So it's right now the time is
What?
7:20.
What is that? Little bit.
Yes, bit.
Bit,
Only a bit
bit rain.
rain now.
Okay.
Actually, the time is right now 7:20.
Yes.
So still we have to go. I think 38 or 40 kilometers, right?
Yes, 38 kilometers we have to go.
Yes.
For reaching to the trekking starting point.
point. So from there we have to walk. So let's see how much time it's taking right now. What we have just now reached, I think, Ghat. So from here we have to travel almost
Half an hour.
half an hour, I think.
Yes. We have already said the climate is very nice, so we are just enjoying the climate.
Where is Devkund?
Still we have time. We needed to travel 30 minutes. So then we will reach to Devkund. But for now, for enjoying the climate, because we don't know what will be the climate over there. So we just wanted to take some photographies.
I
Yes.
think 30 more minutes is left to
So
reach
actually,
Devkund.
we are going to reach now. So we are just doing time pass over
Yes.
here.
So
The place was very nice. The road was straight, so I thought let's do some photo shoot and everything. So we took some photos.
And also there is nobody over here.
Yeah.
Okay, so finally we have reached Devkund and now we are at the entry point. So you can see here you have to just pay the amount for the it has an entry fees.
So how much amount?
I don't know.
400.
Okay, so 400 rupees. It's have you paid for the rope and everything?
Yes, everything is included. So there are a lot of snacks and guides are over there. So we have to go from this side. So there are small space. We will show you. But this is a car parking. As today is Ganpati Chaturthi, so there is no crowd. So
So we can walk from this side, right?
no, this side,
Okay, this side.
this side. So it will take 1 hour.